She's low. She rides low. Oh, sh. What do you think's over there? The birds keep diving on it. Uh-oh. A little sketchy. Get up, fucking. Bro, you better get out of the way because this thing doesn't go neutral. It's got one speed. Here, there, and gone. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Fish on, fish on. Let's go. Let's go. Fish on. Let's go. Let's go. This is the spot. Glad you're on fish, but I think I'm sinking. Fish on. Big Jack. Hey, this thing filled up with water. Nah. Here, let me give you the pump. Oh, it drained out. Kind of. Captain goes down with his ship. No matter how shitty the ship is, you still go down with it. Let me see yours. Oh, dude, he's beautiful, man. So much on. Should I? God bless. Almost stabbed me in the butt. Shit show right now, bro. Oh Lord, I'm sinking. But you got a nice fish. Dude, I think this is the biggest jack I've got. Oh, I just stabbed myself in the foot. Nice. Woo. Okay. Okay, let me take off my shoe because that shit got caught. Let's go, buddy. Look at that, dude. Oh no! No! Where'd he go? To your right, to your right. Oh, he's gone, dude. He's gone. He's gonna come back up. Here, give me the net. Here, here, here. But I'm stuck on the fucking lure. Here, let me cut the line. Here. In pursuit. Taking on water. You got him? Not even a shark. so bow mounted. No! I'm done. Oh no, you lost a Rapala?
I lost it.
Damn. Nah, no worries.
Bump.
Oh, fish on. This thing just wants to chill in the boat. Shit, bro. God damn. Trying to get you off the boat. Nice snook. We'll get you back home safe. You done fishing?